Hello viewers, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best solar panel available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. When looking to install solar for your home, one of the most significant decisions you'll need to make is choosing the best home solar panels for your situation. So, we've pulled together a list of the best solar panel available on the market. Number 1. Renogy 200 Watt 12 Volt Monocrystalline Solar Starter Kit. Negative grounding controller with battery reversed, overloading, short circuit and overcharging, discharging protection ensures the broader off-grid applications and safety. Especially can be used on a vehicle which has battery negative on the chassis. With the Renogy Wanderer 30 APWM charge controller, you can expand your system up to a maximum of 400 W. Open circuit voltage, VOC, 21.6 volts, monocrystalline solar cell efficiency, 21%. Ideal output, 1000 Wh per day. Can fully charge a 50Ah battery from 50% in 1.5 hours, depending on the availability of sunlight. The kit now includes an 8FT10 Aruban Florence tray cable to connect your charge controller and battery, corrosion-resistant aluminum frame for extended outdoor use, allowing the panels to last for decades. Number 2. Goal Zero Boulder 100 Briefcase Solar Panel. Lightweight, 100-watt monocrystalline solar panel with briefcase folding enclosure. Features rigid, anodized aluminum and tempered glass construction. Ideal for camping, emergency, or off-grid situations. Engineered to solar recharge. Goal Zero Yeti Portable Power Stations. Comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Number 3. Renogy 2-piece 100W monocrystalline photovoltaic PV solar panel module. 2 pieces of Renogy 100-watt monocrystalline solar panel. Compatible with different Renogy mounting systems such as Z-brackets, pole mounts and tilt mounts. Advanced encapsulation material with multi-layered sheet laminations to enhance cell performance and provide a long service life. Corrosion-resistant aluminum frame for extended outdoor use, allowing the panels to last for decades as well as withstand high winds, 2,400 pascals, and snow loads, 5,400 pascals, anti-reflective, high transparency, low iron tempered glass with enhanced stiffness and impact resistance. Bypass diode minimizes power drop caused by shade and ensures excellent performance in low-light environments. Number 4. Grape Solar GS400 KIT 400-watt off-grid solar panel kit. Ideal for running small pumps and lights or charging your portable electronic devices. Grape Solar GSSTAR100W polycrystalline panel features a 2-diode junction box for enhanced performance. 40-amp Comet PWM charge controller allows you to add up to 1 more panel with additional cables. Battery not included. A minimum of 1 12-volt deep cycle battery is necessary to use this kit. Number 5. Go Power GPPSK 120W portable folding solar kit. Includes carrying case, 130 watts of power, 6.9 ampere DC per hour, built-in 10 ampere solar controller. Rated current, 6.7A. Rated DC voltage, 19.7 V, 25-year, SAE and XLR style solar plug adapter. Includes carrying case.